Hey guys, I'm just going to shoot a small video of an issue I ran into with the harness. So, I have a bunch of wires that have been cut, like that whole group over there. They came off of the gray plug for the V8. Focus. Anyway, the gray plug. And I have this green wire, green with an orange tracer, that I don't know where it goes. I know that if I follow it, it goes all the way to this collection of ASD wires. But I don't know what it actually is supposed to go to. I have all the other ones that cross over to the other side for the injectors. But this one, I don't know if it went directly to the fuse box. Is it a constant ground this thing needs to have? But I don't know. While I'm here, I went ahead and depinned all the main plugs and labeled everything. Even made a little label so I knew exactly what PCM plug they came from, so if I had an issue later, it'd be easier to trace it back than going by color and description. So I need to figure this out. And then figure out if I need to use any of these, because there's some of these that seem pretty important. 5-volt power source that went to the second plug, which is the white plug. But I think you can just pull the 5-volt power source from the other harness. But there's this 5-volt orange wire for the white plug. Speed control for the gray plug. And there's there's some random ones in here. Speed control for vacuum. And then there's this fuel pressure relay. There's another ASD. Some of these actually went to pins, and then the pins didn't even have a readout on the diagram. So I went there and it was actually empty on the diagram. Like this one, C14. It wasn't even supposed to be there. It was an empty space. So, a lot of these are just for the automatics, like overdrive. And then there's output shaft, speed, another overdrive, and then velocity force, I think is what that is, variable force, something like that. And then ignition, startup, and run, sounds important. I need to figure out if I need to go back out and get another harness or what.